Hey, what's up guys? Jose here at ShreddedDad.com. In today's video, I'm going to give you a quick overview of the Reflex punching bag, the Cobra Reflex punching bag. Now this is a fun piece of equipment due to the fact that it's very interactive. And what I mean by that is when you punch it, the spring over here will move back and then it's going to come right back to you. So it almost makes you feel like you're fighting somebody. Now it's very fun, a very fun cardio workout. It's going to build your endurance. It's going to build speed, hand-to-eye coordination, and also your defense because you have to dodge it every time you punch it or it's going to hit you right in the face. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to walk you through the different components of this piece of equipment. It was very easy to set up. It took me about 10 minutes to set up, and most of the time was actually spent filling the base with water. So other than that, it's pretty straightforward. It comes with all the hardware that you need for it. Two pieces of tools is all you need, and they send that to you. So it's almost ready right out of the box. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to the ground. We'll show you from the bottom and work our way up so you can see all the different components. All right, so we're at the base. The base is actually two half circles. You see a line right here, and that's where they connect right here on the bottom. Most home punching bags are actually one big circle. This one is two halves. I'm not sure why they did it that way, but that's just the way it comes. Now what you do is you're going to have to fill each half with water or sand. I just used water because it was faster. I just grabbed the hose, put the nozzle in the hole, and then filled them both up. That's actually what took the longest in the whole setup process. So once you have them filled up, make sure they're connected at the bottom. Then you have a cap here in the middle that you're going to twist, and it makes sure that the water doesn't splash out. Now on top of that cap, you're going to place this part right here. This is made of pretty solid steel, and you have 4 screws, 2 on each side, and they give you all the hardware. All you need is an Allen wrench and then this little wrench that they give you as well. So once that is on, all you have to do now is basically get the spring. The spring is separate from all this. You get the spring and you screw it to this piece of metal here, and this piece of metal is what races up and down in order to adjust the height. And you do that very easy. You just unscrew this and then pull it out, and then you can adjust the height accordingly to your height. So the spring connects both the top and the bottom pieces of steel, and this is what allows you, that gives you that spring back mechanism. Okay, so when you punch it, it's going to go in the direction of your punch, and you better dodge or it's going to hit you in the face. Over here at the top we have the foam-filled punching bag. This requires no inflation, so it's ready to use right out of the box, and it connects to this piece of metal over here with 2 screws. Now the reason why you have this foam here is so that whenever you're punching, in case you punch a little bit lower than you're supposed to, you don't hit the screws either with your hand or mess up your gloves. So that's why this is here, just for added protection. And that's all there's to it. Very, very easy to set up, very fun to work out with, and it's something I definitely look forward to. Anytime I want to do a little bit of cardio, work on my speed, my endurance, my defense, I definitely go to the Cobra Reflex bag. So there you have it guys, that's just a quick overview of the Cobra Reflex punching bag. It's a fun piece of equipment and one that I always look forward to anytime I want to do some cardio. Now this is not cheap, and they actually charge you shipping from the original website. So what I've done is I found a link that takes you over to a page that doesn't charge you the shipping. So I'll leave the link right below this video. That link is ShreddedDad.com/Cobra. I hope you liked the information in this video. If you liked it, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Leave me your comments and questions down below. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit that notification bell so you don't miss the latest videos. Thanks again for watching. Have a great day.